Hello guys, this is our C17 AI face tracking gimbal. As you can see, this is how it is. So join me, let's unbox and set it up and see how amazing it looks. Yeah, this is the charger, as you can see, for charging it. Here is our gimbal. Can you see? Can you see how sexy it looks? What else do we have in here? Okay, this is the manual. So if you don't know how to use it, you just go through the manual and you can know how to use it perfectly. So okay, so now, yeah, as you can see, our gimbal. It's moving to my direction. You can see. Can you see? Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? It's moving. Can you see? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's go. Can you see? So come get yours now.